Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mozaki bin Muhammad Nazri, and I'm going to present about my topic, climate change and biodiversity loss. Climate change and loss of biodiversity are a crisis that can bring severe consequences to ecosystem and human society. This can lead to increasing Earth's temperature, shift in rainfalls, and unusual weather patterns, which can bring a negative impact to Earth. Climate change has a connection with biodiversity loss, which can create a destructive cycle. Extreme weather events like heat wave, rainfall, floods, droughts, and wildfire are becoming more frequent and much more intense. These extreme weather events directly impact biodiversity and could lead to even more severe consequences. An individual engagement through social media and other platforms can help to alleviate climate change and preserve biodiversity for the future. Climate changes are crises that is caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuel and also deforestation. And the effects of this crisis is the increasing of sea level as a result of high temperature, resulting in the melting of glacier. This can pose a threat to coastal area and to human life. Other than that, it can also cause extreme weather such as hurricane and drought, and this can lead to much severe problem. Extreme heat can cause drought, and that can lead also to crops failure and also increase the infection brought by pests like mosquito that prefer warm environment. And lastly, it can also bring severe impact to biodiversity, which cause ecological disruption and thus increase the risk of extinction for fragile species, such as the picture of a dolphin. Is the reduction of diversity through death or destruction. And the effect of this is, first of all, it can affect human welfare. Crop got destroyed like the flood that destroyed the rice field at Kedah in 2021. And also the death of pollinator, which is crucial for crop propagation like bees and so on. Second of all, it can also cause the extinction of species because of habitat destruction, such as extreme climate change that can cause wildfire. And lastly, it can also decrease farm animal, increasing number in pests, which can affect the agriculture system and also ecosystem. Crop damage and production decrease is the effect of the decreasing of pests. There is a few prevention methods that we can use to prevent this disaster. First of all, we can implement nature-based solution. This method is crucial in addressing change and loss of biodiversity. Next, this method can conserve and restore the ecosystem for carbon sequestration and habitat preservation. This method can also protect the environment and restore nature plants, which then can help to mitigate climate change and improve biodiversity. This method also can promote climate stability and conserving different types of organisms. The second method is we can have integrated policy. We can address climate change and biodiversity loss simultaneously, which then can align this issue under frameworks like the Convention on Biological Diversity and the Paris Agreement that can improve global action. This integration ensures that conservation efforts for protecting biodiversity also help mitigate climate change, creating synergy between environmental policies. And the third prevention method is we can increase awareness in people. According to BIS, public involvement and learning are essential in combating biodiversity loss and also climate changes. And by engaging local communities in conservation efforts, it can increase their connection to natural resources. And lastly, by using this method, we can raise awareness among the public about the connection between climate change and biodiversity, enables the adoption of sustainable practice. And the last method is establish monitoring system. And by establishing this monitoring system and also adaptive management system, it is crucial for tracking biodiversity and climate change. And this system can enhance resilience against environmental changes throughout timely response to crisis. And lastly, by doing continuous monitoring, it can provide data driven insightly for policy, decision, and conservation strategies, according to the Lidley 2010. So, for conclusion, climate change and biodiversity loss have a complex relationship where each exacerbates the others. And the solution to this problem require a combination of social, economic factors, and ecological resilience. And the key aspects of making environment safe from the effects of climate change include reducing gas emission and also promoting a healthy environment through natural processes. Sustainable living efforts are crucial, important for maintaining good climate condition and ensuring the safety of animals. And urgent action is necessary to prevent the endangerment of numerous species and to safeguard fundamental ecosystem services vital for human survival. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mozaki bin Munezri and I'm going to present about my topic climate change and biodiversity loss.